All right, friends, good to come your way again today. As I said, we're going to be running a series on how to start and grow a career in real estate that we started last week. Even as a newbie or with little or no experience. As you know, from last week, we talked about 3 points that first and foremost, you have passion. You must have passion in real estate. Then, of course, after you have passion, we talked about is that you choose your career path. Which area do you want to focus in your real estate journey? Do you want to be agent just marketing land, or do you want to go into building development? Do you want to go into property management? Onto the legal aspect of real estate in case you have a lawyer, a legal background, into the finance, and so on and so forth, into the valuation. There are different aspects of the real estate you can go. Then, of course, we talked about also educating yourself. After you have chosen your career path, go to seminars relating to that path, do another. So today we are going to, you can find it in the previous video. You can go on and check the previous video. Where we talk about these 3 points. So today we're going to be talking another 3 points again. As we said, it's going to be a series as we're running. So today we're going to be talking, after you have done all these three parts, then the next thing that you'll need to be able to do is that is for to now what? Develop your skill sets. Number one today, develop your skill set. Skill set, I mean the relevant skill like communication skills, negotiation skills, market analysis skills, and all those financial skills. So these skills are where you need it to be able to do your real estate business. So when you have identified all those your part, okay, I want to be an agent. An agent, you need good communication skills, you need marketing skills. So you want to be, so whichever area, so you now know the skills that are relevant to that career path or that area you want to focus in your real estate, agency or your real estate development or your real estate, finance, wherever area. So know the skills that you need in that particular area, research it and start reading up about them. Take some free courses, watch some videos on those skills that are relevant to that career path you have chosen. Then that is number one. As we said, we don't want this video to be getting too long. So we're going to just go straight to the point and tell you those things. So number one today is that, of course, as we have said, you do what? Build relevant skill in that area. Then again, we now talk about the next thing you need to do, you need to network actively. Network actively, connect with established real estate professionals, attend industrial events, join local association, build relationship with agents, investors, lenders, wherever person in the area. So network actively, don't be passive. So anytime there is event or you see online, you see on newspaper there is event, ensure that you go. So network actively. That's another way for you to be able to grow and learn more in the business, to be able to start working with other colleagues in the industry. So network actively. Always subscribe to newsletters so that sometimes you see opportunities that where you need to be able to come for a conference or come for an event. So network actively. That's another skill you need if you want to be able to go far in real estate. So network actively. Then the third skill for today, as you say, is that get a license or get a training, get the certification. So get that training. I mean, something that you know that you want to have. Maybe you can go to in Lagos State. There is an agency that is it Lacera or so Lagos State Real Estate Agency or something. Maybe if you're an agent, go there, get a license. Maybe get a certificate that will show that you're a licensed realtor. Then if it's about you want to go development, maybe go and attend with REDAN, Real Estate Development Association of Nigeria. That's REDAN. You want to go into development, be part of those, maybe get a license. So get a certification or a license will also give you another credibility in the industry as someone that wants to go into real estate. So get license, get certification so that will make you strong, not just like the roadside agents. So when you do all these things, that will help you to be able to grow and build a career in real estate. So let me recap again the 3 points for today's edition. I said number one, that you should what develop or build your skill, the skill set that you need, those soft skills, I mean, that you need in that particular career that you have chosen. Then again, you network actively with your colleagues in the industries. In the industry now you have chosen. Then the fourth one, finally for today, you say get a license or a certification, especially in the area that you have chosen to go. So I believe if you have been following this thing methodologically, systematically, you will end up becoming a real estate juggernaut or a professional. So thank you for today's edition. So watch out for the edition for next week.